Hi y'all, welcome back to Hanging Out with Liz. And today I got in the Jeffree Star palette. It was on sale and I decided to go for it, and it's here. So when you come back, we'll open it up. Now welcome back. You can see I'm opening up the palette. Oh, look at that. It is so pretty in there. Now, I've never had Jeffree Star. I've had a lot of other makeups, but never Jeffree Star. And I'm very excited to try it. Comes the interesting card. Because I heard he has pretty good makeup. That's just my receipt. Oh, look, they protect it well. And I'm digging this pink. It's really pretty. I love pink. How did I know? And we're going to open her up. And hopefully she looks beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at the packaging. It's the Jawbreaker. I love the colors. Okay. I'm going to open it up here. This is what it looks like. Let's open her up. And it's got a mirror, obviously. And here's my colors. Got Gumdrop and Bubblegum and Wow. Brain Freeze. Ooh, look at Cotton Candy's got some glit to it. Maybe I need some light here. There you go. There you go. Now you can see those beautiful colors. That's the outside. And let's play with them, shall we? I know nobody uses their fingers normally, but I'm kind of wanting to play with these anyway. So let's play. Let's see what we're going to touch. Try orange juice. Ooh. See. There's orange juice. Okay. And you gotta try and what? Ooh, let's try lemon drop. Lemon drop's a yellow. So you can see yellow. And wow. Wow's next to it. Those are some pretty yellows. Lemon drop. Wow. Okay. Let's do soaked. And we'll do two more. Let's do cotton candy. Yes, I am into those. And let's do gumdrop. Gumdrops are pretty purple. Cotton candy, gumdrop soaked, orange juice, lemon drop, and wow. This has some really good pigment to it. It's actually coming out pretty good. See? It's beautiful. I love the coloring. There's some glit and some mattes. I love cute. So this promises to be a really good palette. I'm really excited I bought it. I think because of when I'm making this, it's still on sale for $25. So it's about half off. So if you like this video and you like the palette, go ahead and go grab it. It's at the actual Jeffree Star site. It's not at a store. So that's the Jawbreaker palette. So, and then it's JeffreeStarCosmetics.com. Okay, so that's our video this round. Just a short video to show you what I got in. and I am really digging it, and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. So that's everything today. Bye, y'all.